Hi, I'm Karen Peterson from Oakdell Egg Farms. You're going to love this recipe fresh from our family farm.
Get your day off to a great start with our breakfast egg muffins. Crack a dozen Oakdell eggs into a bowl. Add salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic salt, and whisk them together. Spray a 12-cup muffin tin with non-stick cooking spray. In a separate bowl, combine cheese, spinach, and ham. Put an equal amount of the ham and cheese mixture into the bottom of each muffin cup. Carefully pour the eggs over the top until the muffin cups are almost full, about 1/4 of an inch from the rim. Finally, bake them at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Then get them while they're hot.
For more great recipes, go to oakdell.com.